Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine of s squared. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2s cosine of s squared ds. So number 4, that's about number 2 and number 2. So this one we change by u, and we have u squared. 2s cosine s squared ds we change by du. The integration of this one, we have negative number 2 over u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.